Hello children, welcome back to Maths Made Easy. Let's continue with word problems based on percentage. And here is our second question. Increase 60 by 5%. Here increase 60. So 16 is the total exact original value and we have to increase the 60 by 5%. Right? 5% of what? 5% of the 60 itself. Right? So here they have given a small portion out of the 60. They are saying it is again increased by 5% of the 60. So we have to convert this 5% into value first. How to convert this 5% into value? Here let's see the problem. Original number is equal to 60. This is what the total is, and 5% of the 100, since it is 60 and we have to add another 5%. But for adding that, we need to understand what is the value of this 5%. So this is what we are finding out here. 5% of 60. So formula for finding the 5% is value is equal to percent divided by 100 into total. Right? So just substitute the value. Here percent is nothing but 5 and total is nothing but 60. Right children, just substitute this value in this place. Then you will get the value of this 5%. So is equal to percent is 5 by 100 into total is 60. So when you do the cancellation, you will get 3. Right children? So you'll get 3. Now what is this 5% of 60? It is nothing but 3. 5% is nothing but 3. Number 3. Is it clear children? Now we have to add this 3 to 60 because increase 60 by 3, right? So sorry, by 5%. By 5% we have to increase the 60. What is 5% value? It is 3. So 60 plus 3 will become 63. So 63 is the new value after increasing the 5%. I hope you understood this, right? And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section children. And if you are unable to solve any problem in your academic syllabus, you can just post your question in a comment section. I will surely upload a video as soon as possible. Here increase 20 by 15%. So this 20 should be increased by 15%. So for adding this 15%, we have to convert this percent into value first. For that, we are going to subtract the formula and convert this 15% into value. This is the original or number or total, that is 20, 15% of 20. Now we all know to find out the value of this 15% is equal to percent by 100 into total. Percent is nothing but 15 divided by 100 into 20. Just do the cancellation and you will get 3. That means what is the value of this 15%? It is nothing but 3. And we have to increase this 20 by 15%. 15% we already know it's 3. So 20 plus 3 will be the new value. So it will be 23. So 23 is the answer. Here is our third question. Here this one is in mixed fraction. Right? So you don't need to worry. Even this one is very simple and I'm going to explain it in a detailed way in each and every step. Right children? 48 by 12 1 by 2%. So you have to increase this 48 number 48 by 12 1 by 2%, but this is in a number format, percent format. So how can you add it? So first our aim is to convert this percentage into number. The original number or total value is 48, so we are going to increase this 48 by 12 1 by 2%. So let's convert it. That means 12 1 by 2% of 48. For first, let's convert this into a proper fraction. That is 12 2s is 24 plus 1 is 25. So 25 by 2. I hope you know how to convert this mixed fraction into proper fraction. 25 by 2% of 48. Now to convert this percentage, we are using the formula value is equal to percent by 100 into total. Whenever they give a percentage and ask you to convert it into value, just use this formula. This is the formula used for converting this 25 by 2 from this percentage to a value. Just substitute the value. Percentage is nothing but 25 by 2 and by 100 into 48. That is total is 48. Now the numerator part is in fraction and the denominator is in integer. So we have to convert this part in a fraction by placing 1 in the denominator. Now look here, numerator and denominator both are fractions. Now you can divide it. You cannot divide fraction with an integer. So you have to convert the denominator part into fraction. Now once both are in fraction form, now you can divide it. How to divide a fraction? You might have learned it even in 5th class itself, right? So 25 by 2 into the denominator will become reciprocal. Always the denominator will become reciprocal, children. And now if you do the cancellation, you will get 6 as the answer. So what is the value of 12 1 by 4%? It is nothing but 6. Now you can just add this 48 plus 6. Then you will get 54 as the answer. So the increased value will be 54. Now let's move on to the fourth question. 80 by 140%. This is very easy, children. The original number is 80. Since we have to find out the 140%, 140% of this 80, right? 140%. So we have to convert this 140 into a value. I already said you the formula for this. Just substitute the values over here. 140 divided by 100 into 80. If you do the cancellation, you will get 112. So 140% means 112. We have to increase this 80 by 140%. 140% is 112. So just add 80 plus 112 and you will get 192 as the answer. Fifth one, 1000 by 3.5%. Here the percent is given in point. So you don't need to worry. It is very easy. I'm going to explain it in a detailed way. Original number or total is 1000 and we have to convert this value into percent. 3.5% of this 1000. So we are saying 3.5% of this 1000, right? So value is equal to percent by 100 into total and just substitute the values over here. 3.5 divided by 100 into 1000. Here you can just cancel it and you will get into 3.5 into 10. So here 1.10 is there. So when multiplying this 10, 100 or 1000, just move the point towards the right side. That means it will become 35.1.0. Since after point it is 0, you can just strike it out and 35 will be the answer. That means 3.5. The value of this 3.5% is nothing but 35. So the new value after increase, since they said that 1000 is increased by 3.5%, right? We have to increase this 1000 by 3.5. We got the value now. What is 3.5? So it is 35. So just put it over here and add it. You will get 1035. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. Even share this videos with your friends. Check the description box for more problems on percentage.